Hello, my name is Divya Venkatraman, and I wanted to provide you an update today on the PlantPAx System Estimator, also known as the PSE, which is one of the most valuable tools in use for PlantPAx, Rockwell Automation's modern DCS, found inside the Integrated Architecture Builder. As a quick refresher, the PSE is a tool which allows you to take your system's information, which is typically a rough architecture and I/O counts in the various areas of the plant, quickly build and validate your architecture based on requirements, and estimate the loading on controllers, networks, and servers. The PSE has a lot of great capability, including the ability to check that all the loadings are within the limits defined during characterization. As the loading on various elements are estimated, the tool, PSE, checks to see if the loadings are within the PlantPAx system guidelines. If they are not, then a warning is shown. Once the PlantPAx architecture has passed this loading check, the project can be opened in the general IAB tool to add details which are not included in the PSE. The resulting project can then generate reports and be imported into Proposal Works to generate a proposal. A bill of materials can also be directly generated from the PSE wizard. PSE has gone through several enhancements with the 4.0 PlantPAx system release. Specifically, we've added a new controller type for ControlLogix controllers not being used for process control, enabling you to more easily size hybrid PLC DCS applications. There is also now a new MCC location to size your controller for intelligent motor controls. PSE will map to control strategies to calculate system loading. Another enhancement is that we now have expanded system elements to include domain controllers and new server types such as SQL servers, and allow for better system coverage. There's a menu which has been updated to include all the latest system elements defined by the PlantPAx selection guide. Virtualization sizing calculations have also been updated to include new server types. You now have the ability for detailed sizing options to allow you to design with more granularity for your application if you're going outside the bounds of what is considered a typical application. You also now have a new ability to add network switches to controllers and I/O locations. FactoryTalk Historian and FactoryTalk Asset Center are now defaults within new systems. These enhancements were all driven by feedback we received by our users. Our goal has been to provide you more flexibility to properly define and size systems for a wider range of system requirements. Please spend some time with this new version to become familiar with the features which make estimating and sizing systems easier than ever. To download the Integrated Architecture Builder, which contains the PSE, please go to Rockwell Automation's Configuration Tools page. And if you'd like more guidance or support, please call your local Rockwell Automation distributor at the link shown.